Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in previous lecture already we have discussed the placement of door and window everything. Now we have to see that in this lecture we have to see how to trace stairs in Revit. Okay. So for that come here in ground floor. Here you can see one stair is given. So how we can trace this stair, how we can draw the manual staircase, that we have to see here. So for that nothing to do. See, it is very simple. If you want to create a staircase manually, so for that here you have to hit on architecture tab, circulation pair panel, hit on stair. Here from the component panel you have to select the create sketch. Okay, first you have to select the boundary line, and from draw panel I have selected the line. Okay, now see, draw the boundary like this. Getting? So you have to first you have to draw the boundary line. Okay, so like this you have to draw it. After that what you have to do, after drawing the boundary line, okay, so I have drawn. Now here also we have some line, draw it. Okay, so boundary line is drawn. After that select the riser, hit on line command and draw the riser. This is our riser. Now I want to copy, so hit on riser, modify panel, you will get the copy command. Multiple time I want to copy, select it and copy it like this. Okay, so we have to draw the riser like this. Same way now I want to copy this all riser, mirror this all riser here also. So here I am selecting mirror draw axis, and this is my center, draw the axis. See, now the riser will be copy. Now you have to come here in stair path. Now you have to select the path, so select the line. From here we have to go up, just draw the path like this. Okay, so here I have drawn the path. After drawing this, hit on finish edit mode. Again you have to hit on, see the arrow direction is showing, means up is here. We have to go up in the staircase. From here it is showing. Don't worry if you want to go from here, because in drawing it is showing up here in a direction. So first you have to hit on finish edit mode. Okay, now the stair is created. If you want to see, you want to change the direction, you don't want to go up from here, select it here. See, flip stair up direction, flip it. Now see, you will get this stair like this. If you want to see stair which we have created, here you will get that stair. See, when I am removing from here, but the problem is what, the stair which we have created, it is in which floor? Just select the complete stair like this. Okay, and railing everything you have to select and then move it here. See, uh, base offset is of, okay, okay, it is clear na? Because we are, see, when I'm selecting this stair, you can see we have to go up from here and then here. See, in this way you have to create this staircase. Okay, now same way here also we have created this stair in ground floor. In first floor also we have a stair. Okay, so press the Ctrl Z first, come here in first floor. See, in ground floor I have created, come here in first floor. Now here also we have to create this stair. So first I don't want to see that stair here, preview of that stair here. So what you can do, from base hit on none. Okay, it is selected. Now come here, architecture tab, stair, create is, first you have to create the boundary. So to create the boundary here, see, this is our stair, try to create the boundary. Okay, okay, so I have created the boundary of my stair. Okay, here also in midpoint we have to give the, okay, so I have created the boundary. Now just create the riser So hit on riser, select the line. From this point, what you can do, just create the riser like this up to here. And now same thing, use the copy command. Multiple times you want to copy, so copy it. Just copy the riser from here. See. Okay, so here we have copy the riser. We have created the riser. Now select all riser from the drawing. Same thing, use the mirror draw axis and draw one axis because I want to mirror that riser here also. Same way, now you have to hit on stair path and select the path. Same, see, like this. Hit on finish edit mode. Again, you have to hit on finish edit mode. Now see, we have drawn. But if you want to change the direction, you can change it. So you want to create the direction up from here, okay. So as per your requirement, you have to do it like this. See, I will just delete this wall and see this stair which we have created. You can see this is our first stair. After that we have created another stair. Just I am trying to delete this also, so it will more easy for you to understand. See, like this. But the problem is what, here we have to give the opening na? How you can come up. So here I want to give the opening in first floor. So how to give opening? See, press the Ctrl Z first. Come here in first floor plan. If you want to give the opening, what you have to do, come here and see. For the opening, shaft opening, you can say. Okay. In first, come here in required floor level. Let's say first floor, architecture tab, opening panel, shaft opening is given. Hit on shaft. Then in modify tab, you can select rectangle from here. And then in PP, see, base constraint in first floor, base offset how much you want. So minus 304 means minus 12 inch is shown because floor thickness is minus 304.8 only. Okay, so it is clear here. Always in base offset you have to enter the thickness of that floor minus and that whatever thickness you have taken. Okay, now top constraint where it is, see, unconnected it is showing. So up to where you want to, so as per your requirement, up to level ground floor. Okay, I want that only na. So as per that, unconnected also you can select. So as per your requirement you have to select. So you can select the like this also, up to upper roof floor. Okay, select it and give the opening. See, for opening it is very easy. Just you have to draw it. I want to give opening from here. Just give it where it is. Hit on finish edit mode. Now see in 3D, here we have given the opening. If you want to confirm, see, just remove this both wall and see it. Here I have given the opening. For first floor slab, here in first floor I have give the opening so that we can easily go up. Okay, now same way, in this way we have to create the, we have to trace the stair in Revit. Now suppose if you want to create one more floor, because I have shown we have created one level for ground floor, then first floor for roof, then upper roof floor is there. So here also you can create one room also. Okay, so that I will show you in next lecture. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.